In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change button colors in Base44. We'll walk through a simple process so you can quickly update the look and feel of your buttons and better match your brand or design. Even if you're new to Base44, don't worry. I'll explain each step clearly and give you some tips along the way. First, make sure you're in the Base44 editor, looking at the page where your button is located. On your screen, find the button or element whose color you want to change. This could be a primary call to action button, a secondary button, or any clickable element that behaves like a button. Move your mouse over that element and click it once to select it. You should see some kind of highlight or outline that indicates the element is active and ready to be edited. If you accidentally select the wrong thing, just click on the correct button again until it's clearly selected. Once your button is selected, look to the editor panel, usually on the side of your screen. Here, you should see different styling options for the element you have chosen. Among those options, find the section labeled Colors and click on it. This is where Base44 groups all the color controls for the selected element. By opening this colors section, you're telling the editor that you want to adjust how this button looks visually, rather than changing its text or layout. After you've clicked on colors, you'll see different color settings that may include the background color of the button, the text color, and sometimes hover or active states. Click on the specific color swatch you want to change, such as the background color. This will open a color picker, where you can drag to choose a new color, enter a hex code if you have a specific brand color, or adjust sliders for hue, saturation, and brightness. As you experiment with different options, keep an eye on the live preview of your button so you can see exactly how it will look on the page. Try to make sure there's enough contrast between the button background and the text so it stays readable and accessible. When you're happy with your new color choice, simply click outside the color picker or close it, and your changes will be applied and saved in the editor. And that's it. By selecting the button, opening the colors panel, and adjusting the color settings, you can easily customize your button colors in Base44.